The internet told you have to match silicone foundation with silicone-based primers and water-based foundations with water-based primers. It's not necessarily 100% true. Here's 5 fast facts on how you should think about your priming purchases and your foundation purchases. Fast fact 1, your skin type matters. The drier the skin, the more surface dehydration, the more flakiness, the more potential for pilling. The more oily skin, the more it's going to have a potential preference for silicone, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to like silicone. Fast fact number 2, the amount of product you're using matters. This is why there's a use as directed label and there are directions, 1 to 2 pumps, whatever it is. Follow the instructions. If you overload your face with product, it's not going to be able to dry efficiently. And if it doesn't dry efficiently, it's going to contribute to pilling. Number 3, the amount of time you wait for your product to dry matters. You can't just slap on a primer and 3 seconds later on wet skin, throw your foundation right on. You're basically inviting it crumple up together and then it's going to dry and then it's going to pill on you potentially. Fast fact number 4, anything that has the words high, full, maximum, 24-hour, 36-hour wear. Those are high-performing full coverage products which have a ton of powder in them. Powders dry and sit and dry out the surface of the skin. If you are dry or if you are oily, this may be good or bad depending on your skin needs. The powders could contribute to more dryness, which could also contribute to more flaking. Number 5, if you love yourself a good film-forming setting spray, it's designed to technically form a film. If you rub that film way too much, it will pill. If you're setting in between every step of your makeup, you're way more likely to pill depending on your skin type and all the other fast facts we just reviewed. It is a buy and try, personal, beautiful exploration. Don't deny yourself the joy of finding your perfect match.